Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to start Pokémon Master EX. To begin your adventure, simply download the game from your device's App Store. Once installed, complete the initial tutorial, which introduces you to the core gameplay mechanics. Remember to link your Nintendo account early on. This often grants you valuable bonus rewards, such as 600 gems. Finally, make a thoughtful choice for your very first sync pair, as they will be a foundational part of your early team. Understanding sync pairs is crucial for success. Each sync pair features one trainer and their partner Pokémon working together in battle. Combat unfolds in exciting 3 versus 3 real-time engagements where strategic decisions are key. Always remember to utilize type advantages. Matching your Pokémon's type to an opponent's weakness can significantly increase your damage output. Aim to build a balanced team with diverse roles like strikers, supports, and tech units. As you progress, completing story missions is essential for unlocking new content and advancing the narrative. Make sure to participate regularly in limited-time events. These often offer exclusive sync pairs, items, and other valuable rewards. To strengthen your team, utilize the dedicated training areas to efficiently level up your sync pairs and enhance their stats. Always think strategically about how you spend your in-game currencies, especially your precious gems, for optimal growth. For more advanced play, consider focusing your resources on strengthening a few of your favorite sync pairs to their maximum potential. Don't shy away from exploring co-op battles. These offer unique challenges and often provide excellent rewards for teamwork. Engaging with the game's vibrant online community can also provide invaluable tips, strategies, and discussions. Most importantly, enjoy the exciting journey of collecting and battling your way to becoming a true Pokémon master.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.